Welcome back to Malamic Art. My name is Mikki, and today I'm going to be swatching out 9 new colors to me of Lukas Aquarell 1962 paint. And I had originally bought a bunch of their primaries and things that are kind of staples, and now I wanted to kind of buy some things that are not. They're more convenience colors. And I had actually given a couple of people sets of these, and they're still over half full. So I mean, these pants will go a long way, so it's affordable for me to be able to buy this set in this brand in this quantity, because these tubes, these huge tubes, are anywhere from $7 to $10, and it's just a really good deal. And you can usually find a place that will give you free shipping if you buy over like $35 worth of stuff. I know Dick Blick does, and Jerry's Ramen does. So let me go ahead and put these in half pans and we'll start swatching. Okay, let's go ahead and swatch them out. First we have Van Dyke Brown, and just so you know, I just put these into the pans, and they're already starting to, some of them are already starting to dry, and this is one of them. So the Van Dyke Brown, I'm hoping does some granulation for us. I'm going to get it a little bit wet so it can show us what it has. It has 4 pigments in it, PY42, PY155, PR176, and PBK7. Doesn't really need all of that many, but that's what they've got in theirs. Now, I was interested in this English Red Deep because the tube had it look kind of like a burgundy color, and yeah, I don't know that that's the color that's showing here. This is pretty typical for PR101. I gotta say, it's definitely a little bit more more burgundy than I've seen it. It's really pretty, actually. When I think of PR101, I think of, let me give you a little different swatch here. Oops, I got them all. It wouldn't separate. So here is a PR101 from, oh geez, I'm making a mess here. Who is this from? I don't have my pans. This is Venetian Red by Core. So this is Core's PR101, and this is the English Red Deep. So this is a lot more, the Venetian Red is a lot more red. And I got my hand in the Cobalt Violet here. Let's see if I can fix things. Leave it to me make a mess. Okay, so this is their what they consider Lukas Red. It's a PR254, and I think I do have a PR254. Wow, that's really pretty. Very nice. So wipe that off. I might have one right here. Yes, this is Turner's PR254, and they call it Pyro Red for Turner. And I'll give you a little hint of what this looks like. Pretty similar, although I would say Turner's is a lot more bright, a lot brighter. Maybe I'm just not grabbing a lot of color. I don't know. Let's try one more layer. I guess you could achieve that. All brands sort of show their colors differently or cook them in different ways. So this is Naples Yellow Reddish, which is, I was interested in this for skin tones, and it literally came out like clay. It was really, it's PR 176 and PBR 24. And it's really rich. Look at that. That would be excellent for skin tones. A little bit semi-opaque. Let's see how that dries. And this is supposed to be kind of like Core's Green Gold. This is Core's Green Gold right here. And this is Lucas's Green Yellow. Bit too much water. Ooh, it's really, really soupy. Wow, it's like the same. And this is PY 129. Just one pigment. It's really nice. Huh. I just gotta get that off my finger. Really, really, I didn't let that dry enough. So next, hang on, I'm gonna clean up, I'll be right back. Well, that took longer than I expected. So I ended up helping my son, and then I had to make him lunch, and then I had, you know, that's how it is with the moms. Always, always, always getting sidetracked. That's okay though, that's why we do it. Do it for our kids. So this is olive green, and honestly, I think this is gonna look more like sap green than the actual sap green. Oh, I had taken the liberty of, yes, because it was so laborious, of grabbing the M. Graham Van Dyke Brown, and this is the difference. I think this is a lot more pigmented than this Van Dyke Brown. Oh my word, I just keep making mistakes. That's okay. It never happens, see? So I really like this olive green. It's PG 36 and PO 36. I come to find out this PBR 24 is actually a fugitive color, so I don't know if I would be using this. And it's also kind of weirdly separating a little bit. You see the pink and the yellow is separating there. It's interesting. Okay, so I really like that olive green. I probably will use it as a sap green. So this is what they consider their sap green. And I wonder if like it gets lost in translation because sap sometimes looks lighter in different places. Wow, this is really, really bright. Let's see how bright it goes out to. So it's very lime green, and it's very, very bright. I'm surprised there's no fluorescent color in there. All right, so now we're on to, and I have music on because there's so much going on. All the windows are open and people are active outside. There's a guy doing carpentry across the street. A neighbor got a new dog. So there's all sorts of new noises. Oh, I put my hand in something. Oh yeah. It's just gonna be how it is today. So this is Ultramarine Deep, PB29. And I'm gonna try to build up some color here. And it's maybe we'll see some granulation there. And here is the Cobalt Violet, and it's definitely dry to a darker color. So we got this very interesting color coming from PV 14. Very, very cool PV 14. I don't think I've seen, yeah, this must be. And it's really light, These would be really good for contrast and shadows. It seems to be pretty transparent. And we see some granulation on that too. So let me get these, let these dry and I'll be right back. So here we have the dried swatches, and I think it's pretty obvious, I mean, at least to myself, that if you buy Lukas over other brands, you're going to save money and get the same quality. Because look at the core is the same as the English Red Deep. You just kind of figure out what matches with what. Coors sells their tubes at 11 ounces and $9 and something 63 cents, I think. And this English Red Deep was 24 mil and it was like $7.10. And here's the Coors green gold, and this is the green yellow. I mean, I don't know. I think it's safe to say that you can get really great paint for cheaper if you just say, you know, I don't need a name brand. I mean, Lukas is a name brand, but it's cheaper and it's more affordable, and that is why I'm collecting all of their paint, because, you know, sometimes you get an oddball, but otherwise you're getting all the colors that you need to make great paintings. Thanks for joining me. I probably will make something with these colors, and then I will see you in the next one. You have a wonderful day. Take care. Welcome back to Melamic Art. My name is Mikki, and today I'm going to show off 9 new tubes that I've bought. I've been trying to complete my collection. Oh my gosh, look at this. There's a blooper. Get off my finger!